player like Shaq and Cole. Cash to blow, trees lit, glass of mo. Various styles, cross them like Darius Mal. Locking it down, the game got me leering and smile. Moving too slow, getting tired, pick up the flow. Pass and go, 2 bricks to get in the goal. Pushing that weight, front line like Michigan State. Jail ball, punk players getting bucks in their face. The strong survive, shorty wanna jump in the ride. Loving my life, that's why I gotta spit it through mics. Halftime, smoke break, I need something to light. Game over, niggas going home, losers tonight.